In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome to access your linked Facebook account for Monopoly Go event partner invites and gift links. To get started, open Google Chrome on the device where you normally use your Monopoly Go account. This method works best when your game account is already connected to Facebook, because that connection is what allows the invite links to open correctly and recognize your profile. Before opening any links, make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account in Chrome. If you use multiple accounts, it's a good idea to double check this first so you don't run into issues with invites going to the wrong profile. Once Chrome is open and your Facebook account is accessible, the next thing you want to verify is your Monopoly Go event partners. Make sure the people you plan to partner with are already on your main Facebook friend list. This is important because partner events often rely on that connection when links are opened through the browser. If someone is not on your main friend list, the invite may not work properly or may not appear in the way you expect. Taking a moment to confirm this now can save time later. After that, you can move on to accepting or exchanging event partner invites. These are usually shared as Chrome web links. When you receive one, open it directly in Chrome rather than another browser, especially if Chrome is the browser where your Facebook session is already active. Let the page fully load, and if prompted, allow it to connect through the appropriate account. If you are exchanging invites with someone, repeat the same process with their link and then share yours back through the usual method you use. Keeping everything inside Chrome helps make the process smoother and reduces errors. Finally, don't forget to collect partner gift tokens that are sent through promotional web links. These links are often time sensitive, so it's a good habit to open them soon after receiving them. Again, use Chrome so the connection to your linked Facebook account stays consistent. Once the page opens successfully, the reward should be applied to your account if the link is valid and still active. As a general tip, if a link doesn't work right away, refresh the page or reopen it in Chrome after confirming that you're still logged into the correct Facebook account. Following this process carefully makes it much easier to manage partner invites and claim gift tokens without confusion.